respected HODs, faculties, staff members, and my dear students of 3rd and 4th year. Greetings from Dr. Sudhir Chansoor, Institute of Technology and Sports Complex. I am indeed very happy and excited to address you all via this virtual platform. Dear students, farewell is made up of two words, fare plus well. In this, fare is derived from the Old English word faran, which means towards the journey. So, we can also assume farewell means that the person taking off must have a nice, happy, and a safe journey. Myself, Dr. Om Prakash Sharma, Principal of the college, along with the JIS Group Management, welcome you to this auspicious virtual moment. This moment is very special for you as well as for us. As due to COVID-19 pandemic, we are meeting on virtual platform. Every year we have students who pass out from our institution. For me, it has a mixed feeling of joy, happiness, and on the other side, it gives sorrow and pain. A feeling of joy that all my students will achieve success, and sorrow for things that from today onwards we won't meet in the classroom, but we will be meeting on virtual platform. If you feel any help of mine, anytime, any moment, please keep in touch. When you took admission in this institution, you were not so bold enough to represent yourself. JIS management and your department faculty members were the only one who supported you, made you walk on your feet confidently, made you realize about the world through imparting knowledge. Sometimes we scolded you for your mistake, but trust me, all we did was for the sake of your future. We have trust in you and the knowledge we have provided you. We wish and pray that you never fail in your life. You have just completed the undergraduate phase of your life and there are more to come. Now you have to take the major decision of your life and you cannot depend on anyone for that. I request you to remember much used proverbs. If wealth is gone, nothing is gone. If health is gone, something is gone. But if the character is gone, everything is gone. I further advocate, please keep on checking your limit. When you check your limit, you succeed. You will face many situations in your upcoming life, and the moral values, ethics, and the knowledge which are inculcated in you will help you to overcome all of them. The name and reputation we have learned for this institution are all because of you. The progress of the institution equally depends upon the faculties and the students. I am thankful to all the students for their support and for maintaining the dignity of the institution. An institution is a structure whose pillars are students and the faculties. It's a celebration time as you all have grown enough to come out from the boundaries and the discipline of the institution and to move to a bigger world. Please be in touch with us as alumni. Before I end, and I can proudly say that we are fortunate enough at JIS Group to have an oracle with us, Honorable and respected Shri Taranjit Singh Sir, MD JIS Group. His able guidance in matter pertaining to educational reforms has always encouraged us to do different challenging endeavors. He has empowered us with good moral and ethic values. Organization of this virtual farewell meet is also one of them. I thank him for his kindness, his interest, his hospitality and continued support, and on the top, his great vision. I would like to also appreciate the non-stop support of Shri Sibarpreet Singh, Director JIS Group, for all new initiatives taken up time to time during different facets of regular academics. He always motivates us to be the front runner and initiator. I thank him for his energy and power which he propagates in all of us. I am confident that joining hands of all of you as alumni will meet the emerging challenges and will contribute towards making our organization more dynamic, responsive, and sensitive to the need of good professional institution of the nation. At the end, as a final comment from my side in a nutshell, you should be ready enough for learn, unlearn, and relearn to be successful in your endeavors. Inculcate good habits, eat healthy foods, and stay focused. I thank you again for being a family member of this huge JIS family. keep the flag of Dr. Sudhir Chansoor Institute Technology flying. Before I end, once again my sincere gratitude to all my dear budding technocrats for sparing your valuable time and wisdom. Good luck for your future endeavors. I owe special gratitude to JIS management, all HOD, TICs, all senior junior faculty members, technical staff and students who have worked hard to ensure that this occasion of virtual farewell becomes a memorable one and successful. I will fail in my duties if I do not welcome and thank the third year lovely budding technocrats who are always ready to help at any time. Once again, I welcome you all. I thank everyone for your attention. Thanks for coming and gracing the virtual occasion of farewell. Jai Hind.